Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy and grateful that you are here with me today. Today we have a super quick review on this new product. I'm so excited to share with you. Don't forget to subscribe, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the video. So the product I will be trying today is this brand new product from NYX, and it's called the Milky Gloss. I went ahead and picked up the shade Moody Peach. I'm so excited about this. Let me tell you a little bit more about this product. It is supposed to be a hydrating lip gloss infused with vegan milk, 12 hours of hydration. It comes in 8 different shades and it is cruelty free. I'm super excited to try this out today with you all. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and give you a swatch first, and then we'll try it on our lip. So this is what the doe foot applicator looks like, and this is what the shade looks like for mine, which is Moody Peach. I'm gonna go ahead and add this Coffee and Kiss lip liner by Morphe. You know what, let's go ahead and try it by itself first to see how this looks on its own. So it's a very lightweight. Not a lot of color. Just a nice little milky shine. Very comfortable on the lips. Not sticky at all. It's just very natural. Let me go ahead and add some of my lip liner. So I really like the color, believe it or not, because for my skin tone I have a lot of trouble finding a nice pink and nudie color. I just want to add a little bit of this nude lipstick over top. I just think it looks nice with a lipstick as well. It looks very shiny and like so pretty, so I do not have a problem with it sticky or being all over the place. It is milky as it states, so you can see that kind of like, I don't even know how to explain it, but let me add it on my hand for you. So you see it's kind of milky, like see-through-ish. I don't know how to explain it, but it's so pretty. I love the color. It looks very nice and natural on my lips. Now I'm kind of intrigued about other shades because I didn't think I was going to like this, but I actually do. It's very comfortable on the lips, not sticky at all. I love the color, and I think it's really pretty. It's vegan and it is cruelty free, which is amazing, and it gives you a lot of hydration, which it does state on the claims for this lip gloss. I like it, NYX. I love the packaging. It looks so pretty. I'm definitely going to try a deeper shade just so I can see how it looks on my complexion, but I really like this one, especially for spring and summer. I think it's really pretty, really easy, and you can definitely top off different lipsticks with it. So I'm kind of really liking this Milky Gloss. I don't know, what do you all think? But I give it a thumbs up. A very nice formula. So that is it for today's video, my friends. I know it was a quick one, but I just wanted to talk a little bit about these lip glosses because I did see them and they're brand new. So next time you're out there, pick up one of your shades. They are way lighter than what it looks like on the tube. They're very comfortable on the lips, and I think they're perfect for this time of the year. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe. As always, I am so grateful for you. I will see you on the next one. Bye, friends.